Hi, my name is Johnny German. I work for Almond Restaurant in Palm Beach, Florida. We are a local, seasonal, artisanal restaurant coming from Bridgehampton, New York. We are a French bistro inspired, also continental, serving just a little bit of everything from Korean, Mediterranean. We are a farm-to-table restaurant using local vendors, farms, anyone as close or small, as nearby as possible. Now let's take a peek at what we're doing in the back.
Hello, my name is Brendan here at Almond Palm Beach. We're going to talk a little bit about our sustainability program. We work with a composting group who take our spent vegetable matter and turn it into compost. The compost then becomes fertilizer, which goes back into the local farms to grow the vegetables that we then use at the restaurant, completing that circle of sustainability.
So here we're going to make for you one of our popular cocktails. It's called the Figged Up. In it we'll have 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, a ½ ounce of brown sugar syrup, 1 ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of mezcal, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, 2 spoons of fig preserves. Shake that up and serve it with a dehydrated fig. So here at Almond, you'll definitely be able to explore our eclectic menu, whether it's for lunch on the weekdays, brunch Saturdays and Sundays, dinner 7 nights a week.